When we are doing final walkthrough, on the day of the closing, never before, we are checking for a few very important things. Number one, we are checking if there is hot and cold running water in the faucet, all faucets. Number two, we are checking the AC, if it's still working, and we are checking the heating system. Number three, we are checking if all electrical outlets are still working. Number four, and that's actually the most important one, is we go through the list of the requested repairs that the seller was supposed to do according to the post-inspection negotiations between the buyer and the seller, and we see if they actually did that. If you haven't had an opportunity to do it before, you can do it during the final walkthrough. Number five, we check if the house is being left vacant, meaning emptied of all personal belongings and furniture pieces that were supposed to be picked up by the seller. We check the garage, we check the basement, we check all the rooms, we check the cabinets and everything else. Part of the utilities is actually also to check if there is gas on the cook stove. Basically, you can open every single window, you can check everywhere to see if everything is working. The basic idea behind the walkthrough is number one, to check if the seller has done all the things that they were supposed to be done after the inspections, but also to check if nothing has changed since you went under contract, since the first time you saw the property. Also, usually in New Jersey, unless it's specifically excluded in the MLS description, all the kitchen appliances are included in the sale. So you check if the fridge is working, if the stove is working, if the microwave is still there, if the dishwasher is still there. Check if you can still operate all the windows, all the doors, and if there is nothing missing in terms of piping. Believe me, sometimes it happens. You should definitely check if there are no scratches on the floors or if the carpets haven't been ripped up, if there are no damages to the closet doors, to the cabinets in the kitchen or the bathrooms, and things like that.